Eggs deserve extended attention as a nutrient-dense food that supports brain health at multiple biological levels, from early development through aging, because few foods combine essential brain nutrients in such a concentrated, efficient, and affordable form. One of the most scientifically significant components of eggs is choline, a nutrient that the brain depends on throughout life, but that many people fail to consume in adequate amounts. Choline is not simply a supportive nutrient. It is a structural and functional building block of the brain. It is required for the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that governs memory encoding, learning speed, attention span, and the ability to retain and retrieve information. Acetylcholine also plays a critical role in neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections in response to learning and experience. Higher choline intake has been associated in multiple observational and interventional studies with improved verbal memory, better executive function, and slower cognitive decline in aging populations. During pregnancy and early childhood, choline from eggs contributes to proper brain development by supporting neuronal migration and synapse formation, laying a stronger cognitive foundation that can influence learning ability later in life. In addition to its role in neurotransmitter production, choline is a key component of phospholipids such as phosphatidylcholine and sphingomyelin, which form the structural framework of neuronal cell membranes. Healthy, flexible membranes are essential for efficient signal transmission between brain cells. When membrane integrity is compromised, communication between neurons becomes less efficient, leading to slower processing speed and reduced mental clarity. By supplying ample choline in a highly bioavailable form, eggs help maintain the physical structure of brain cells and support long-term cognitive resilience. Vitamin B12 in eggs further strengthens this neurological support by maintaining the health of the nervous system at a cellular level. B12 is required for DNA synthesis and for the production of myelin, the insulating layer that surrounds nerve fibers and allows electrical impulses to travel rapidly and accurately. Without sufficient B12, nerve signaling slows, and cognitive symptoms such as forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, and mental fatigue can appear, even before more severe neurological damage is detected. Eggs provide a steady, natural source of B12 that supports ongoing neural repair and helps preserve sharp thinking, particularly in older adults, vegetarians who include eggs, and individuals with increased neurological demands. Another underappreciated contribution of eggs to brain health comes from lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoid antioxidants that accumulate in both the eyes and the brain. While they're best known for protecting vision, growing evidence shows that these compounds play a protective role in neural tissue by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. The brain is especially vulnerable to oxidative damage because of its high oxygen consumption and lipid-rich structure. Over time, oxidative stress can damage neuronal membranes, disrupt synaptic signaling, and accelerate age-related cognitive decline. Lutein and zeaxanthin help neutralize free radicals, preserve membrane stability, and support efficient communication between neurons. Higher brain lutein levels have been linked to better cognitive flexibility, faster processing speed, and improved attention, suggesting that regular egg consumption contributes not only to protection but also to optimized mental performance. Eggs also support brain health through their high-quality protein content, which supplies the amino acids necessary for neurotransmitter synthesis. Neurotransmitters such as dopamine, serotonin, and norepinephrine regulate mood, motivation, alertness, and emotional stability. A steady supply of amino acids helps the brain maintain balanced neurotransmitter production, which can improve focus, reduce mental fatigue, and support emotional resilience under stress. Because egg protein is complete and highly digestible, it provides these building blocks efficiently, helping stabilize blood sugar and energy delivery to the brain. This is particularly beneficial in the morning, when eggs can support sustained attention and cognitive endurance throughout the day. Regular consumption of eggs, commonly suggested at around 3 to 5 per week for most healthy individuals, has been associated with better overall cognitive function without compromising cardiovascular health in the majority of people. Modern research has largely moved away from the idea that dietary cholesterol from eggs directly translates into higher blood cholesterol for most individuals. Instead, eggs are increasingly recognized as a functional food that delivers brain-specific nutrients in a synergistic way. The combination of choline for neurotransmission, B12 for nerve integrity, lutein and zeaxanthin for antioxidant protection, and protein for neurotransmitter balance creates a powerful nutritional environment for the brain. Over the long term, this synergy may help preserve memory, enhance learning capacity, and slow age-related cognitive decline. Eggs are particularly valuable because they support both immediate brain performance, such as focus and mental clarity, and long-term brain maintenance by protecting neurons and supporting structural integrity. When included as part of a balanced diet rich in vegetables, healthy fats, and whole foods, eggs function not merely as a source of calories, but as a strategic nutritional tool for sustaining brain health across the entire lifespan.